YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, we are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Want to give you guys a real quick update on the market and on Toshi. But before we do that, guys, just got to let you know, like in every video, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. These are just my thoughts and opinions on the market. But I'm not a professional anyway. So you guys can see total market cap in cryptocurrency today coming in at $2.8 trillion, right? Bitcoin coming in at an 87,000, right? Starting to see some big sell-off, guys. Massive sell-off here. Greed index now coming in at a 29, and our total market cap again down 7.62. Look at our market cap, man. Everything just looking like it's the end of the world, bro. Look at this, man. Oh, look at that 1 year, dude. Oh, man. What a big rejection off that 91. We talked about it, man. We talked about this Bybit hack rejection. This is, I feel some kind of way about this. And again, a lot of people do. You guys can see fear greed index now coming in at a 29 time of the video. Let's go see what these charts are kind of looking like right now as well. Let's see, right? You guys can see too. Yeah, our fear greed index. Let's check out our fear greed index coming in at a 29. Where we are, look how way deep in the fear greed index we are right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. As a matter of fact, I want to look at some BitBo and kind of see what's going on right now. With our stock, right? Where we at though with the stocks of flow? You guys could see we're sitting right around here. But what I really wanted to look at, there was one indicator that I actually wants this fear greed index. We're gonna look at this fear greed index over here. Right? Where are we going right here with Bitcoin? Talk about the fact the other day about this fear greed index, right? When we're in this heavy green area, could be a possible sign of the top, but look, it wasn't right here. We created this flag right here. It wasn't right here either, right? We created another leg up, right? So I'm curious to see if we're gonna have another leg up on this, or how this is gonna look. I mean, none of these indicators are 100%, guys. We look at all these indicators. I pay attention to all of them. And they all play differently every day, so you got to kind of pay attention to it. Interesting. Interesante. Okay. So, interesting. Now I'm wondering if this is more similar to this, right? Is that crazy? Like this? First, I was thinking this was looking like this. And now I'm thinking that maybe this might look like this. Like maybe we need to test some lower levels. And then we'll really see that altcoin season still. Or maybe Bitcoin will just fall off a cliff. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let's look at some of these other indicators. I want to look at the pi cycle indicator, right? This is what another chart that I was concerned about. So fear greed index and pi cycle indicator also showing a little bit of concern, right? We could see every time a lot of the times when this 111-day moving average breaks, when the chart breaks below this, it could be like find that we need to see a little bit more sell-off. I don't know. Again, Bitcoin's already coming in at what at the time of the video? Bitcoin is already at 87 right now. I mean, right, let's pull it up. Just look at it. Look at some of these charts, right? 87 right now. I see just bear flag after bear flag just breaking down on Bitcoin right now on the 7-day ever since we broke off of that 90. Oh, Lord. Game's rigged, bro. It's rigged. I'm just kidding. I don't know that. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Don't cancel me, Trump. But look on the 7-day, guys. Another bear flag. This is not good. This is not good. We do know that sometimes we do see some fake outs. So early in the week, so maybe this price will move a little bit later on in the week, just a little bit. But again, we're still in a downtrend. We've definitely broken down for sure. Can't deny this, right? On the 1 year, not looking good at all at 87, right? How low can Bitcoin go? How low can it go? Is it going to bust one of these? Is it going to do one of these? And then go back up? You know, maybe like we create a bull flag here or a bull flag here. Or maybe we're going to start going back up a little bit and then consolidating more and doing one of these and then pumping again. Some people thinking altcoin season is over. I'm just dollar cost averaging, man, because these zones, I mean, we could have a bottom around the 85. CZ made a post, man, eerie post from 2020, guys, saying Bitcoin would go up to 100K and then it would drop down to 85K. Talked about that. I shared that actually on my Instagram. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to break down some more? Or do you guys think that 85K might be it? I mean, we haven't even touched 85 yet. That would still require some sell-off. And if that happens, we might see some more sell-off in the market. As a matter of fact, let's go see how the market is doing right now. How about that? Let's go see how the market's doing. Ethereum down 8% right now. XRP down 10% right now. Solana down 8%. A lot of these Bitcoins being slapped around today. 10%. A lot of stuff getting hit hard. Let's see what's going on with Toshi Coin coming in at 218 million market cap right now. And seeing some volatility today with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin definitely creating this volatility, creating this bear flag. And as it keeps creating these nasty patterns, it's, again, driving fear into the market, all across the market. And again, Toshi Coin feeling some of that. I'm wondering if we're going to see a sub 200 million Toshi. I'm interested to see that. I'm definitely still looking to buy this project, dollar cost average into this project. I still think that this project can go into the billions. Long on cryptocurrency. I'm long on this space, guys. So even if Bitcoin does decide it wants to break down, which again, it looks like it's looking like it might want to start doing a thing pretty soon, right? Let's see what's going on here. A lot of volatility today, guys. Insane. Look at these two giant red candles printing out today. Dropping down all the way from 96 all the way down to 86. Told you guys how key that 96K resistance was, and the fact that we broke down off of that. Again, can we find some support down in these lower ranges, right around this 85K range? Because if we don't, then we might be looking closer to like this 75, 70 range. And if that happens, then there is going to be some fire sales, and also that will not happen overnight. That will happen over a course of time, and it will go up and down and have a lot of fake outs, and people will get liquidated out of a lot of positions. So yeah, but definitely, I mean, it's looking like this trend has definitely turned over, and so I'm curious to see just how far down we go. Again, we could even be possibly looking even nasty. Look at this. Oh man, look at this. First of all, look at this. What the heck is this, bro? Like, what the? But again, we did have this blow off top, right? We created that rising wedge right there. See how we create this rising wedge right here? We reject off of this, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder here. We broke down. Now I'm concerned that we got a shoulder here, a head here, and a shoulder here. And if we break this neckline, then we can drop down again to that 75, 70 range, possibly. So that's just kind of what I'm thinking right now. Again, Bitcoin breaking below on this 1-day chart, and that's not good. The fact that Bitcoin is well, I mean, it hasn't broken this, it hasn't closed this candle yet, right? But the fact that it's breaking below now this this bottom level of the Keltner channel, tell you guys that once that happens, it kind of like turns into a slippery slope, right? Just rejects, right? And now look at Bitcoin creating another bear flag, having a very hard time breaking above this zone, right? Same thing. This 1 month again, is it going to reject again? This thing is just not looking hot, just very much lacking volume. And that's what we were saying even in the last video too. Oops. Oh, come on. I got too many indicators up now. Okay. Sorry. Oops, RSI. Boom. You guys can see we're still heavy sold on Bitcoin right now. Heavy sold on the RSI on the 1 hour. It's been heavy sold like this for like the past couple hours actually. So 30-minute looking like it wants to possibly do something, but I don't know. Again, we're heavy sold here, so maybe we can start finding some ranges of something, right? Again, I don't expect a turnaround to happen super quickly. Now that we've broken down below this below 96, I think that this is going to take some time to play out, just based off of prior cycles and just based off of things that I've seen. Again, looking at this, looking at our what's it called? Which one was it? The pi cycle indicator, and then the other one, this beam indicator right here, is making me feel like now that again, this might be more similar to this, but this could also be, I guess, similar to this. I mean, I don't know though. It does look like we're breaking off of this though. It looks more similar to this. Like we could have another retest of like a lower range of some of this fear, just because we're getting a lot of fear in the market right now. And it's an interesting time. Interesting. Again, CZ said 85, and that man said that in 2020 that we would go up to 101 to 85. So, I mean, I could TA all I want, but you know, if the game's rigged, then no, I'm just kidding. But I'm just kidding. But as you guys could see, theory index again, how low can this thing go? Are we going to get into some red? Are we going to get in the red in the fear greed index? We haven't seen no red in a minute, right? Definitely interested to see if we're going to see some of that happening. You guys could see last week we were at 38. Yesterday we're at 40. Today we're at 29. Bro, from 40 to 29. But look, Toshi Coin, I feel like, is holding up. Not so bad, dude. A lot of these coins are getting smacked. Some of these coins will never return from the dust, guys. But Toshi Coin is still on Coinbase. It's still on Kraken now. It's on KuCoin now. So, you know, when the market does pick up, I think that retail, there's a decent chance that they do start looking again at these meme coins and stuff. And they're going to want to pick up some Toshi, because Toshi's the coolest cat on base. And yeah, but how long this correction is going to take exactly, guys, it's going to be speculative. We could see over time how long these corrections have taken, right? And we've already dropped down into the orange too, right? So that's another thing you got to take into consideration, because some people thinking that it's going to take all the way to August. That's what I heard in my Telegram from my guy who is very good at TA. He's very good. I'm very good too, but he's very good too. But he's saying that it could take into August. But again, we're already in this orange zone, right? And the orange zone really started February 5th, right? And so it's already the 25th. This orange zone, really bottom looking thing, started around like August, and then it goes all the way until next month, and then boom. Into September, boom, October, boom, right? Interesting. Are we going to see something similar? Maybe this correction is just going to take a couple months. Or are we going to see something to like, again, I feel like the sentiment that he was getting, that we're going to feel like we're going to see this big sell-off all the way into August, because this is when August was on our last bottom, right? Over here was in August. So maybe he's feeling like we need to go see some of that type of price action, right? Remember. Yeah, but I'm interested to know what you guys think and what you guys have to say about this cycle. It's very interesting, guys. Very interesting stuff that's going on right now. This time last year, right, we were sitting pretty, right? Going pretty parabolic, and then March was pretty crazy. And now it's looking like a little funky, right? March might be looking a little funky. So interesting to see. I want to know what you guys think, though. Are you guys bullish on crypto in 2025? Are you bullish on it next month? When do you think that this bottom is coming, guys? Is the bottom ever coming? Or is it just going to zero? Are we just falling off a cliff, bro? Is it just game over mode for Bitcoin, guys? Should we just pack it up and call it a day? Let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, catch you guys next video. Peace.